animal lost in the wild, petty and mild, hurt like a child. Saw you and your sisters crossing the stream. I started to dream we'd make a beautiful team. So I swam across the water just to be here. I held you dear, there was no fear. See your sisters now and all of this greed hits me with speed, saying take what you need. If I'm good for one of these kin, send a boat and bring them all in. Ooh, I wish I could please all of you. Ooh, I wish I could please all of you. Ooh, but trying to please all of you, but please no one at all. You're a wild animal, but wary and wise, luminous eyes, endless surprise. Before I came to you, I'd roam every night, look for a fight, hide from the light. I watched you fight for me and you do it again, protecting your den, no matter when. Your sisters come around to bless our new star, but I curse this part.